Barcelona Port Vell Market, located in the heart of Barcelona's vibrant port area, is a bustling marketplace renowned for its fresh produce, artisanal products, and vibrant atmosphere. This market is a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists seeking a unique culinary experience. At Barcelona Port Vell Market, visitors can indulge in a wide array of mouth-watering delights. From stalls offering an impressive assortment of fresh fruits, vegetables, and spices, to fishmongers showcasing the catch of the day, there is an abundance of options to satisfy any culinary craving. Aside from the fresh produce, the market also features charming eateries and tapas bars where visitors can sample traditional Spanish delicacies. Whether you're in the mood for delicious paella, delectable cheese platters, or juicy seafood, Barcelona Port Vell Market has it all. In addition to the diverse food offerings, the market provides a platform for local artisans and craftsmen to showcase their talents. Visitors can peruse through stalls offering handmade jewelry, leather goods, artwork, and other unique treasures, making it an excellent place to shop for souvenirs or one-of-a-kind gifts. The vibrant atmosphere of Barcelona Port Vell Market is further accentuated by live musicians and street performers, creating a lively and enjoyable ambiance for all. Whether you're exploring the market during the day or basking in its vibrant nightlife, there is always something to see, taste, and experience. Overall, Barcelona Port Vell Market offers a delightful blend of gastronomic delights, cultural experiences, and lively entertainment. It's a place where the flavors and vibrant spirit of Barcelona come alive, providing visitors with an unforgettable market experience.